Okay, let me just do a few things. Here we go again. Another live stream. Let's do stuff we do in a live stream. So, yeah, unfortunately, I wasn't able to make a video today. And I don't know what is wrong with YouTube at the moment, because I have problems logging in. So 1 second, I will be able to look in the chat in a few seconds. Just had to open a new tab. Come on, what is... What is the problem? It's okay. Why am I not able to gain access to the... So maybe... let me... here we go. Now it finally seems to work. So maybe... And here we go. So perfect. I was able to hear myself. Hello, Whiskey. Okay, you were... How are you? I'm totally fine. How are you? Did you solve your issue regarding your work? And yeah, today everything as planned. Maybe some, yeah, guess Matplotlib will be planned. Stuff like that. And yeah. At the moment I got a few issues with the live stream stuff. Don't know why. Wonder why. Just another yellow stream, or however the lines were. Okay, that's at least something. Better than nothing. Not solved, but get it the algorithm 70%. So yeah. Sounds awesome, to be honest. Maybe, yeah, 70% is better than nothing. As I already told you, I'm really not into the topic. But again, if you need any help, I can write a message if this is any help. If not, just tell me. Yeah. So, yeah, let's go together. 1 second. I will do Pygame, so this problem more, will more around. Shall I add background music? Do you want... no, I don't want to take a screenshot. Do you want... No, I don't want to take a screenshot. Oh, I hate my keyboard. Do you want to have background music? Yeah. Yeah. At the moment I don't have that many viewers, so maybe it will have a little bit, but I guess yeah, most of it. But yeah, okay, no background music. The decision, really hard to pronounce as in German, the decision was made. Okay, so I will return to a Pygame now. Looking what we got last, yeah, we got enemy looted, so okay. So we are already in the events for enemy, for event in Pygame. So here's the so yeah, what I want to do, what do I want to add? Before it was already, I already implemented an inventory and drops. Now I want, because he shouldn't loot automatically, I want to add a button to pick up items by this button and not automatically anymore, just by running around. So let's add that. And yeah, where is the obstacle? Obstacle. Or collectible items, yeah. Collectible items. Let's say for event in player point events, where, let's see, for event. For event. So again. Pygame. Point. Event point get. And also now let's see, event point key equals okay, this won't work. Why? I don't know. Maybe we have a guess. Look in the chat, nothing new. Okay, why does it not work like that? And why the hell not being able to log in? 1 second, need to solve this issue. No. Why? Okay, here we go. And hello to the new viewer who joined. Yeah, we're doing some Pygame at the moment. Feel free to join. And yeah, Pygame is the first one on the list. If you want to cover anything else, just write it in the chat. And yeah, I will also make a list. Not a list, I will leave a little message like message and like, what is the message? Want me to cover anything? Write it down in the chat. We'll look at it every 3 to 5 minutes. Okay, shouldn't be that big because you still want to see my result regarding the game. So let's keep it pretty small like this. Yeah. Okay, so back to coding. Let's do event point key. Why is this not working? Oh, because I forgot the colon. Now and event point key. Like this. Equals none. Okay, it doesn't work like this. What I really want to see is event point. Event point key, okay. Oh, maybe event top. If event point type equals key down. Oh, come on, I don't want to take a screenshot. Nothing new in the chat. Don't get it. YouTube is not working in at the moment. Okay, but I am not the only one who has issues regarding that. So yeah, let's get back to coding and hopefully this will get solved soon. Check one or few things or two things. Like, yeah, if event type equals Pygame point key down, I guess, yeah. Key down. Okay, I maybe need to Google that. I'm not able to solve this on my own. Okay. This is so annoying that nothing will work now. But yeah. I try my best. Hopefully getting stuff finally done. And yeah. So for event. Pygame. E is pressed. Key E equals key, no, key E. So let's test it. So you can see the game, which is kind of good or cool, or yeah, good, cool. And yeah, we can move. Why can't we move? What is the issue now? I guess because I already, yeah. Maybe. Maybe I have to, yeah. So let's undo everything we made. Come on. Was it this much I tried? Like here. Okay, now we can move. And items will be picked up immediately, yes. So, and for that to stop, we have here the function elif event point type equals pygame point key E. Okay. Okay, I can't pick up things with E. So it drops the potion, which is good. But I can't pick the potion up. So what could I do is, yeah, I don't really know. Don't have any idea what I could do. Not even the slightest. And yeah, YouTube is seemingly having issues. Okay. So again, there seem to be issues. And hello. Hello, Ahmed. And we can add a chest. Will give you a powerful item or monster. It's randomized. Yeah, I want to do that. But at the moment, I'm trying to implement that we get our own, Pygame equals key if, okay. Equals k down, okay. So event type, I have to do it like this. Event type equals key down, and I can add it here. Elif event point key, no, key equals pygame point key e. I guess I will add a chest, but I will first add boss drops. Wie geht's? Mir geht's gut. Wie geht es dir? How are you? But it's perfect. Wie geht's is you wrote it perfect. The grammatic is perfect, and even the spelling is perfect. So even you didn't forgot the quotation mark, so it's 100% accurate. Okay, so I want to do that, and so I guess it's time to try it again. Oh, this looks bad. Oh, no, call list is not defined. Maybe, no. Player item get rectangle. 34. Okay. I don't get why he has the issue now, because... Now I'm confused. So maybe did I delete anything? Okay, so this is interesting. Nothing happens, and if I add this, he raises an exception. Like for e item. So elif event point key equals pygame point key ke. Maybe I changed something significantly. Event. Okay, now it works. I didn't know what was the issue. I'm learning German these days, still in the middle of A1 level. Yeah, but perfect. Yeah, German is really, really hard to learn. So if you're doing it, you have my respect, because even native speakers have some problems, and but of course you have my respect. And okay, now pressing E. Oh, E? Yes, we pick it up. Okay, now E seems to work. Now we have the sword, we can pick it up. We can even equip the sword and can drink the potion. So this works fine. Okay. Now what I want to do, here we go. They won't be dropping a potion on default anymore if I fixed it, but if I fix the loot tables. But yeah, for testing purpose, I just let them drop a potion so I can see if the drop works properly. And yeah, that's the cause why always something is dropped. And yeah, pretty simple. One second, I will be there for you in a few seconds, but YouTube is having a hell of issues. Or not YouTube, but YouTube Studio. It's really annoying. And hello to the one who joined. Yeah. Kind of doing some Pygame. And hello to the next one who joined. We are doing Pygame. I have some issues with YouTube, so I won't be able to do pawns at the moment. But apart from that, yeah, everything works just fine, as you can see here. So the gaming stuff works pretty good. And yeah. So yeah, dropping and picking up is perfect. Can equip this. And yeah. Next step is being able to equip something. For that, we get to the inventory. And yeah, this is now, not the, I call it, not the, it's kind of fun. I wouldn't say it's not the most part of fun, but could be more fun. But anyway, so what we are going to do now is we want to simply add something like an equipment tab. So if we open our inventory on the right side, I want to see certain equipment. So yeah, let's do it. Let's first go to player. Oh no, let's class equipment. Should, yeah. Inventory. And okay, how can we do that? Let me think about that. Maybe. And hello to the next viewer who joined. We're doing Pygame, and I'm wanna create. Okay, I want to create. Let's first create dev init. wanna create an equipment tab, like already made a game like this, already made an inventory, but now it's time to be able to equip items so we can later create randomly generated equipment, stuff like that. For that, yeah, we should do it. Okay, so what are we gonna do? We want to something like, we first need to think, how can we, and hello to the one who joined recently, non-defin pass. Yeah, I guess I will work with magic numbers, like if an item has a sword class, a sword hand, self point, place number equals 0, and enemies, no, inventory, equip, pass, self point, items equals none for I in range. Oh, we have a sword, chest, helmet, 2 wings. So let's get with 5. Okay, for I in range 5. Maybe we will add more items later, but yeah, in this case we are only going with 4 different items, 2 wings, 1 helmet, 1 chest, and yeah, 1, I guess 1, the other stuff I already mentioned, sword, helmet, chest, and 2 wings. Okay, pass. And now add items should be the same. Like, let's test. R equals equipment. R point add item. Yeah. Okay, inheritance. I just needed to know how inheritance work because I kind of forgot it. But yeah, so the functions are already inherited. And with that, yeah. So pass self items. Open inventory. Player. Now we need to add it to the player related. Self point equipment equals Pygame point. And this should switch a little bit, so for the sake of the overview, equipment and inventory, Pygame point, not rectangle, not rectangle, Pygame roguelike point, inventory point, equipment. So now we already made the equip function before. What we are gonna do now is we want to make the equip function, basic functions, inventory. We want to equip the item and something like this. So for E, equip piece in enumerate. Okay, we should here add new line and here a new line. Enumerate player point, inventory point. No, not inventory point. Equipment point items. So now let's do something like for if item else if E equals 0, Pygame point var rectangle color white. Okay, if E equals 0, Pygame point var color white is correct. Rectangle. Let's say 200 and let's say 405 plus. Don't need this. If E equals 0. Okay, so E. Yeah, we need to move it a little bit to the right and to the, yeah, a little bit down, but it's kind of working in the way I want it to work. So, yes. And thanks to the ones who lately subscribed. Thank you very much. It's a shame I can't get access to my YouTube account at the moment. Otherwise I would totally thank you. But yeah, maybe I need to log off and sign in again. And okay, maybe it works now, hopefully, but unfortunately not. Okay, but I still have access. Yeah, I still have access to the chat. Yeah, but it's still awesome because I got really problems gaining any subscribers at the beginning. But yeah, after doing the live streams and maybe hitting 300 subs, it really got really got going pretty quickly. So it's really cool. It really motivates and makes you doing all this stuff. And yeah, really cool. So, but you didn't subscribe for me talking about subscribers, but for coding, I guess. If item E equals no, so the position should be left more to the right. Let's do something like 505. Also more to the bottom, like 300 31, is this a good place to begin with? Yeah, perfect. Yeah, the first item. Next item is on the, yeah, helmet. If E is less than 3, elif, of course. Elif Pygame point, draw point rectangle. Add it. Oh yeah, we could have simply copied that. With one bracket is too much. Color white, so again, move up a few ones, move to the right a few ones. Let's say minus E multiplied with 20, 5. Okay, and this also the same should be on the side if there's no item, because at the moment we shouldn't have any items. Okay. Okay, too low, so let's make it higher, I guess. Say 301 and 301. Let's run it again. Yeah, here we go. Okay, a little bit to the left. Let's do 50-50. Okay, this is, yeah, that's it. Chest and yeah. But I will also move the hand item a little bit up, like, yeah. $11 and $11. So it's more next to the chest. Yeah, here we go. Weapon. Here will be the helmet, the chest, and here will be 2 wings. Okay, so now last else block. Last but not least, an else block. Okay. Oh, I kind of have no access to YouTube again. Funny. It's mildly interesting, but yeah. Yeah, see you soon. Thanks for watching, Ahmad. I'm hopefully pronouncing your name right. Yeah, Valorant. Have heard of it? Yeah, I would also play more games if I would have more time. At the moment, yeah, kind of trying to get the channel going, but after that, maybe I will have more time. Yeah, see you soon, and thanks for watching. I will also do a little break, and I guess I will grab myself a coffee. So at 1 second, another text. This can be deleted. 1 second, I'm doing stuff up. I'm going to a coffee break anyway. Oh, come on. Didn't want to. I'm really tired. That's why I'm not tired. I'm not sleepy. More tired in a way of. Yeah. Okay. Coffee break until 2020. Let's also add a cool little picture for that. Okay, and let's add some background music. Yeah, something went wrong. I already checked this. Okay. I'm really sorry I can't do much, but YouTube is kind of messed up at the moment. Totally sorry about that. Maybe try another browser. Yes. Here we go. I can remove it, okay? But I will do a little coffee break now because which is just grabbing myself a cup of coffee. Be right back. Be right back. But I can't actually type because I'm not getting into my YouTube account because YouTube is having really bad issues. Okay. Okay, now it seems to have worked, hopefully. This page is not working. Okay, hopefully it will work now because I only want to add background music while I'm at coffee break.
Crowded places, feel it sinking in. Lonely faces, say you need a friend. No matter the distance, I will always be there. No more inhibitions, I'll show you I care. You've been lost and alone in the city of lights, I know. Getting high, feeling low, and it's out of your control. You should know that I won't leave you. I'll stay beside you. I'll never let
Now I will do a coffee break, but not
you been lost and alone
until
in the city of lights,
2020 or 25.
but I will guide you home. to know I'm not the only one. I know I'm not the only one. Since you took hold of my broken heart, just like a miracle. You're the angel, the one I've been waiting for, waiting for. You're the angel, the one that pulled me out of the dark. Oh, oh, I've been waiting for, waiting for. Oh, oh, the one that pulled me out of the dark. You're the angel. You're the angel. And I lost myself again. You hit just like a drug. This time I won't let you in. You're playing with fire. No, I didn't numb the pain, but this time I won't collapse like I did yesterday. You broke my heart once again. I won't buy the dust in return. I can't give it. I can't give it.
So I'm back. Welcome back. So should I add the yes, I will. Then if you want to keep the music, I will leave the music. But I will make it a little bit quieter. Okay, but you should be able to hear it in a quiet variety. Now back to coding. So else. No, not here. So else Pygame point draw. On the right side. So we will move more to the right. Let's say something like 7, 8. And a little bit high, lower, so like this. Let's try it also here. Let's see in the game. Oh, it got even higher. Maybe like this. And this 260. Yeah, that's what I intentionally not wanted. So let's add something like 3, 4, 3, 5, 1, 3, not 5, 3, 5, 1. So now, yes, but I want it even lower. Ah, okay, now I get it, 3, 5, but 3, let's say 4, 1, 1, and 4, 1, 1. Now, yeah, a little bit higher. Let's say 391, 391, 391. Am I now satisfied? Let's have a look. Yes, that's satisfying. So yeah. Okay, now what we wanna do is when we pick up a sword, it should, you know, Bomberclad. No, I'm sorry, I don't know, but hello, Sazi. I really have to admit I don't know Matplotlib. So yeah. And coffee is like a, yeah, the living potion. Kind of makes it back to the. When you say bad word on stream, YouTube ban you now. I'm fine, how are you? Yeah, you have, I guess you have to be very careful. I mean, if you don't wanna, yeah, some kind of jokes you, by using or doing some kind of jokes, might you get banned? I'm not that into the policy, but I'm also not that long on YouTube, so maybe if I get more experience, and I got 2 new subscribers, so thank you very much. Thank you very much for subscribing lately. And yeah, we are, for everyone who joined, we are doing Pygame. I use Pygame point draw to draw the equipment, which means the equipped items will be shown on the right. Now comes the difficult part. Screen point. Blit. And yeah, what did I do entirely wrong? Not item, but equip piece. Okay, now. It's gonna do next. Color white, rectangle. This should have the same coordinates as our little. If the screen is annoying, just write it on. Oh, no problem. No problem. But thank you for subscribing if you subscribed. But anyway, it's up to you. But yeah. What was, yeah, I was at getting the images, screen point blit. Again, we have to copy the coordinates. Oh, I guess I already did. I'm just stupid, or it's my dementia. Yeah. Okay, here we go. Now, how next step is getting the items into the equipped items. And how could we do that? Are you a dog? Oh, that's up to interpretation. I identified myself as... And thank you for subscribing. It's complicated. Am I a talking dog? You know, there are dogs talking, like I've seen a husky asking for a Borma. By the way, I'm not serious if I say I'm identifying as a dog. Just joking. Can you bark? Only if I see any danger I bark, but not in a way a dog would bark. I mean, like a human would bark. Like... how can you call it? Like a German would bark if you sit on the chair he has already put his own towel on. When I see my partner, you mean when I'm in danger, and I'm in danger when I see my partner? No, you bark. A dog barks when he's in danger, and he barks when he sees his partner. So seeing his partner means danger. Only if I didn't tidy up or the I said the dinner was not good, but I would never do that. No. Didn't happen yet that my girlfriend didn't cook anything which I didn't like. Or so again, by charm. Now enemies item. Player point. Equipment. Place number. Save point place number equals self. Yes, I guess that's how you would do it. And can delete this, but we can say something like and player point equipment self point place number and not. We can and again equals none. So now I'm curious if this will happen. Now let's head back to inventory. Okay, here's the sword. I guess it won't work properly now, but if it works, I will flip. Okay, here comes the item. Icon object is not subscriptable. Okay, yeah, kind of accepted that. Okay, nothing new in the chat. At the moment. Okay. So if item. So where's the issue? Line 104. Ah, equipment point items. I get it. Okay, where did I? It was in items. Item. Point items. Here we go. Now let's try it again. Let's collect the sword. Okay, unfortunately, or maybe no, unfortunately, it doesn't draw itself inside the, yeah, but maybe, ah, let me test something else. Basic functions. No, this won't work. Hello. Hello to the one who joined. You know Mr. Goofy? Yes, I'm related to Mr. Goofy. Hello to the new viewer, by the way. And yeah. Goodbye to the new viewer. I was intending some... I did had a proper idea how I could solve the issue that lies in front of me. But I failed. Item. Hello to the next one who joined. How are you? I mean to the viewer who joined recently. Hope you're doing fine. Let's get back to inventory. So inventory for E in unumbered prayer equipment point items. Ah, I'm totally stupid. Of course I need this. I need to also add it to the E equals 0 line. Now let's try it. Come on, why is no collision list not defined? Okay, it is defined. But I don't have a sword, so let's use a level with a sword. What is this? No collision list is not defined. Okay, check for key input. It is in the main function, I guess. Main function 33. Global no collision list. No call list. Maybe it's really simple. Maybe we just do it this way. Okay, here we don't have an issue, but also there was no sword. Ah, here we have a sword. So let's try to get the sword. Not inside the wall. Oh, it is inside the wall. Another issue that has to be fixed soon. Items won't spawn in the wall anymore. Okay, we have our item. Yeah, here we go. Perfect. Ah, here, perfect. As you can see, the equipped item will be shown in the equipment tab. Okay, but we have to make it a little bit more appealing. For that, I really like the music in the background. I should have added more often background music. Okay, I guess the poll is over regarding that. Oh, I can't end the poll because I'm logged in. Okay, so now to make it more appealing, let's first close the program. Inventory was the object and white. Here we go. So 6. Ah, okay, one more. 6 and 2. 6 and 2. And 6 and 2. Here we go. Oh, we got the rainbow level. It's a trippy one. Yeah, here we go. That's what I exactly wanted. Okay. I still should be able to pick them up without any issue and drink them without any issue. Perfect. Now we can finally head to the more fun part. This goofy game is a little roguelike. It's just for playing around. I want to do it as a concept of maybe another, kind of bigger game, which I will program in C++. And this should be as a blueprint so that I know where to put the objects, how I can structure it, and stuff like that. So I don't have the intention to make a competitive game out of that. I just want to try to get into making games. That's the whole idea behind it. Yeah, so again, fun part. We already made the blob items to drop. Like, now let's see. How was the looting system again? I implemented it yesterday. Looted 11. Generate loot. Ah, I made it really simple. Loot table standard, generate loot. If, we standard. We totally need the from Pygame. From Pygame. Point main. Oh no, I mean import random if random point rand int 0, 1. If not 10. else return okay, then we do it like this. And this should work. Let's see. Maybe we need more blobs, but yeah. So they won't drop an item that often anymore, only in a chance of 1 to 10. Let's see if we still get an item we can pick up, which should be here. Kind of funny how the one blob is captured inside this wall. Yeah, the chance is 1 to, I guess, about 10. It is totally 1 about 10. I'm just lost my way of thinking. Ah, okay, yeah, before we can continue, we need to add loot tables for the other enemy types, which shouldn't be that much of a challenge, I guess. So enemies blob. This should be simple. Save point looted. Save point looted. Save point looted. Save point looted. Okay, now. Sorry, pronouncing the now so bad. Will it work now? First, let's kill some blobs. I should call the enemy Snow Blob. Ah yeah, they drop something. Perfect. That's cool. They still can drop a healing potion. But now we come to the red, which looks like a cat. A reversed cat, but... Okay, they are killable. Do they even get us EP? Yes, they do. Heading to level 3, so... New enemy type is generated, these little starfish things here. Which are the level 3 enemy. No. Ah, here we go. Perfect. Oh, these ones also drop something. Okay. Okay, headed to level 6, so let's, I guess now... Okay, I lost myself. Yeah, now I kind of lost. I need to fix that, but not now. One of the issues I need to fix soon. So, okay. I'm really excited for the weekend because my girlfriend has night shift and I can stream so much longer. Because I guess I need to end the stream in about at least an half an hour. I can stream, maybe even 45 minutes. Maybe then I need to close it. Tomorrow will be the day. Okay, still level 1, that's why we only have blobs as enemies. And yeah, you maybe don't wanna see me playing this game. I will... Yeah, let me add a little poll while I'm more testing. 1 second, 2 seconds, 3 seconds. I will do another poll about now. Just need to reach the stream as myself. Here we go. Okay, now I reach the stream as myself. I can do another poll. Let me end this poll. New poll, which is about what I can implement next. What should be next implemented? More items. More monsters. More level variety. Nothing tell us a bad joke. Okay, so I also can vote. I want to add more items. So yeah, while doing that, do I have coffee left? No, but it was my last coffee anyway. Let me just do the poll and let me continue with the game, like testing the game, because I want to test the boss room if we don't have any issues to get to it. And yeah, with that we will also, I guess we will do that tomorrow. We will start a new little sub-project which will also be implemented into this game, but it is more like randomly generated images of these small things, so we can, yeah, it gets more variety regarding the items. Okay, here we go. Now here's the enemies that are, I guess, the most dangerous. And now we should be able to get to the boss. Yeah, here we go. This is a boss room, kind of designed it by myself. If anyone is watching now, you are going to see this little boss room. Got 3 viewers, so 3 will see it. And yeah, I'm fighting the boss. And I defeated the boss. Still lost a lot of HP. And yeah, because it gets too trippy, let's head to the next level. Which is empty? Okay. And yeah. This is a bug. This is 100% a bug. Okay, but now it works. Okay. What was that? Kind of interesting. So the no collision list error is solved, I guess. But this bug was still there. Strange. Really strange. Okay, so let me look at the poll. Close it. We are still watching. I guess more monster, but only 3 votes, so I guess we can. Yeah, let's add maybe some level variety. Maybe. But first let me wipe my eyes a little bit. To decrease my sleepiness. And yeah, so I will do one short break. Just checking a few things like always. Okay, so anything new in the chat? No, nothing new. Okay, more level variety. Oh no, more items. I'm sorry, I will first add the loot table to King Blob. And some new lootable items to any other thing. Or let's test something like item. Item, let's call it generators. Item generator. Name generator. Or let's call it refactor. Item generator. Random item generator. Yeah, that sounds good. That sounds really good in my opinion. Where's the music? Ah, here we go. Yeah, still some music left. This sounds strange, this one. But anyway. Shouldn't bother us. There will come new tracks after that, and then there will also come new tracks, so. Maybe I will grab something to eat. So generate sword name. Rarity is an input. Def generates word name. Def generates word name. let's set something like standard third image equals an empty list. So basic functions, I will kind of steal this item list. Third from Pygame roguelike point main objects point item import everything, and of course we have a model which is called random, so we of course need the random module. So XY should be predefined. In this case, not random. X equals X. Y equals Y. So functions, item, this is needed. So we want to create a random sword. Place number is so damage, self point damage, no, not self point damage, am I totally stupid? Damage equals 1 plus rarity multiplied with random point rand int. Okay, sorry for the long pause. This was a thinking pause. Now we need to generate the name, which is rarity multiplies with random rand. It's from 1 to, let's say, 5. Name. Name. Okay. Items. Name equals name name First name. Self point name equals name. I guess this is not needed. Also not, let me try. Okay, it is needed. Name equals this. Oh, not the half potion. But why is this required if I already set a default argument? Line 58. Ah, okay, here it is not a default argument. That's why. Yeah, now it works. Okay. And while it works, or may better saying because it works. Random third point name. Okay, equals. Let's say something like generate sword name, which is definition, which returns a string. Phi equals common phi 0 unusual phi 1 equals uncommon light-weighted must how can else we trying to make the name different depending on what the input is or what the rarity is. Already only 40 minutes into streaming. Thought I even got more. Anyways. So yeah. Uncommon, light weighted. Cool. Sharp. Now La0 equals and La1 equals Phi2 equals great, perfect, holy, demonic, fiery, organic, of the blacksmith, of the farmer, the from fairy tales, out of a fairy tale. No, this is more like next step, La2, which will be like, yeah, for the rare items. Of Kibi, of the dark pit, of the out of the fairy tales. Okay. Rarity. And now let's do something like maybe to keep my brain, I should grab myself something to eat. Sounds kind of lazy, I guess, but I really need something to eat because I need to get to sleep soon. And yeah, no one is watching at the moment, so it's perfect time for another break. We head back the picture, back the text. Now let's say 20 minutes. Okay, I should return. Okay, I guess last 20 minutes. Okay, we are kind of trying to generate a level. No, not generate a level, generate random items so we get infinite swords. Okay, so how can we do that? We already made the names here. And we want to kind of use the labels. So T level equals 0. And yeah, next step should be, or let me just think a little bit. What could be the next step? Oh. I'm eating next to recording because I wasn't able to do it while the break was too short. Let me see. If turn we turn when not rarity random point choice phi 0 f la 0 and something like stone sword. If rarity equals 1. I could also use a dictionary, but I want to do the same in C code. And because of this, I tend to avoid using dictionaries and kind of data types that are just common for Python. Yeah. Okay. So YouTube got still issues. This shouldn't bother me now. So phi1, phi2, la1, la2. Okay. Sword name equals generate random sword name, rarity is the input. Now let's Do something like, let me grab something to eat again, because I am, yes, the personification of gluttony. So, even though I'm eating through the stream, I'm not that fat as you imagine. No. Okay. Oh, I hope you won't mind, because I made the break to catch. I will do some streaming, because someone also joined. Hello to the one who joined. How are you? Trying to do some Pygame. Feel free to join me. And yeah. Next step could be, first of all, we are my earphones. I'm so sorry. Where is the music? Streaming music again. 1 second, 2 seconds, 3 seconds, 5 seconds, 4 seconds. Okay, here we go. And enemy looted collectible items. Enemy. So so again, where was the music? I wanted to start some music. I just opened. Ah, here we go. Okay, that's too loud, sorry. Okay, now here and nowhere else we gonna name equals self point name equals blob 1. Was it blob 1 main? Blob 1, yeah. Red self point name equals red 1 point name equals I1. Or let's use a better name. Sluggish blob. Red strange-eyed star and point name stalking eye. Point name king of blobs. Okay, that's for this part. Now, now let's. YouTube is still not working for me. Okay. Remove objects, random item generator. I guess I'm too sleepy. I guess I will say goodbye for now. I'm really sorry, but I can't hold my eyes open anymore and I need to get up soon tomorrow. So I would say thank everyone for watching. Thank the reviewers for watching. I will stop the stream now. Hopefully see you tomorrow. Tomorrow I guess I will make the next stream. I wish you a wonderful evening, nighttime, dinner time, whatever time it is in your country. Thanks for so much new subscribers today.